guys, and in today's video we are gonna make a video of me watching my Evo 8. There's gonna be some POV driving videos. It's a point of view car wash video. So yeah, I'm just editing it right now. And I realized I never made an intro or an outro. So here it is. I'll make my intro right now, and then you'll see me in the same room doing the editing and stuff for the outro. So yeah, enjoy. Let me know if you guys like the point of view videos. I recorded me driving around out in like the countryside near I live, of me just like doing point of view driving, what it's like to drive a Evo 8. But the audio is all like messed up and stuff from the GoPro. So if I do end up fixing that and removing the crackling noise that's in it, I'll make a separate video of me just POV driving my Evo 8. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, and enjoy.
I promise you ain't never really freak out till you out of freak out and see each and every freak out on freak out to freak out. Let's be back. No credit, no credit, no credit. Man, they really ain't serious. Do you know what type of women I've been dealing with? I used to pop blues with my little chick. I call her boo cause her real when the whip forget. I used to Uber to school, me to SLS. What you expect a little groupie to see my crib? Oh no, these women ain't serious. Do you know what type of women I've been dealing with? Try to tell me Adderall, make her get a rush. Used to the study until she fell in love. Tell me that little buzz just make her think a lot. I told her, nah, you lying cause you don't eat enough. Nah, these women ain't serious. Sprinkle a little something up in the lip. Start slipping and now she sweating, her lips clenched. Kinda dizzy, your friends tell her to get a grip. I'm trying to give me a real woman to take out, but for now they wild, they rather get it in. Girls on drugs. Girls on drugs. Girls on drugs. Bills and subs. Numbers ain't enough. They still need love. Girls on drugs. They still need love. Girls on drugs. They still need love. Let her purse where her hand go. Hey, she dispersed by the handful. Hey, go, make it go up. Nothing Papa Zan when she land low. Ball to break, so many balls to break. She got the Grammys turned under the stars is fake. She like, oh my God, I'm on the moon, I'm lit. I'm my particular moon like a platoon of shit. You know the hitters that I'm dealing with. Moon. Politicians and then a couple that's on the road. In my position to give my lyrics to little kids is not official unless I'm giving them authentic. We all living with small demons, we all singing the song. Similar bros with us in they ball getting. Let me tell you about the women I be chilling with. The really insecure ones are good in head, right? Nothing fill the void of a little pill, a little shot. She ain't shy when the lips spill. And it's hard to feel alive when you're feeling dead. Inside beside that the line life is so real. Let me tell you about the women I be chilling with. Told me nobody love her, so she cut her wrist. Not enough of that hospital, but cut her close. That's why she wanna get high, cause she be feeling low. Told me pour me a vodka, pill a little smoke. So I can numb her inside so we would never know. Girls on drugs. Girls on drugs. Girls on drugs. Bills and subs. Numbers ain't enough. They still need love.
Alrighty, thanks for watching the video, guys. I just really happy because I just got done editing the video, and I actually figured out how to remove like the bad GoPro noise that comes with the GoPro. Like there's hissing and like random like bass explosions and stuff. So I just edited that out, and I'll be editing the video then of me driving my car from earlier today in the countryside, and I'll make a video out of that. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Comment down what you want to see and leave a like. Thanks. See you in the next one.
Speaking a little